This is the Amberg series. It's a full-grown outdoor knife with a very versatile handle. And we have these in several models according to the blade. We have the stainless steel with a bushcraft blade. And then we have the carbon steel with a black coating. And then we have the compact blade. It's a shorter blade with a different grinding. And then we have the full flat blade. I will go through them one by one to show you some of the features that you can use and activities that you can use them for. So we're going to start to build up a fire. And normally I start with making some feather sticks. And for that I can use the stainless steel blade. So, I think that's enough to make the fire. So now we start to build up with some dry small sticks. And one of the features that we have put on the sheath and click on is that you can switch it from left hand to right hand. And you use some force to take off the click on, and then you just turn it like that, and then you press it down to the click. Like that. So left hand and right hand. So you just click and then you have it. In this Amberg series we have as the same as we have in the stainless steel, and the same geometries, the same features and everything. We have it also in carbon steel. And the carbon steel is coated with a DLC coating to get some extra corrosion resistance. But as with all carbon steel knives, you need to take care of it, and you need to put some care when you have used it, just to clean it off. And then in many cases, if you want to keep it for a time after you have used it, put some oil on or something, so you can use it without corrosion afterwards. I will show you a little bit about how to resharpen these knives. These carbon steel knives need some, it's easy to resharpen when you're out in the field. You can use one of our diamond sharpeners, and then you put the diamond sharpener flat to the surface, and then you rise it a bit just to get some touch up on the very top of the edge. So when you do this, you don't grind off the black coating. And then we turn it to the other side, and you do the same here. So when you're out in the field, you don't need to sharpen so much, only the very edge. After you have used the grinder, the diamond sharpener, you need to strop, and you can strop on nearly anything. I have with me today my strop that I have built myself at home, so normally I have it with me always, but it goes really nice with a flat surface of wood as well, just to get rid of the burr, because you don't want the burr on the edge. Like that. Now the knife is ready for use again. The next model I'm going to show you is the Amberg Compact. It's the same handle, but it's a shorter blade with a profile grind at the top, just so you can be able to do some precision works. I'm going to show you what this little knife is capable of. I'm going to try and do some tool for my cooking later on. As you can see, it bites in the wood quite well. So, quite happy with that one. It's an easy way to make a small spatula for when you are going to cook later. So I think that's done. As you can see, this little knife is quite powerful. You get a good grip in the handle, and the handle is made to use several grip. So you can have the pinch grip, you can have this power grip, and then you can turn it on, off, and you can use it like this or like this. I think we have managed to make a handle that it's quite suitable for all grips. And it's the same grip for all of the Amberg models. We have put in some different blades to make them suitable for different tasks. And now we have come to Amberg full flat. After many requests and opinions, we have put on a full flat grind on an outdoor knife. We have looked in our history books, and we have tried to modernize a blade that we are quite satisfied with. And this one is polished. So in that way we don't have any fire steel compatible spine on this one, because that goes away when you polish it. So this is an overview of the Amberg series. So we have the stainless bushcraft blade with a sharp spine for the fire steel, and that one comes in blue and green. And then we have the carbon steel with the DLC coating, the same geometries as the stainless. The only difference is the steel and the DLC coating. And then I have showed you the Amberg Compact, the smaller blade, but still very useful. And the grip in the handle is quite good. And that one comes in a light beige color and black. And then we have the final knife, the full flat grinding, which I think is requested from many of those who use our knives. So these series are made with a versatile handle, good grip, several grips, and you just have to pick one of the blades that is most suitable for your needs.